What the hell was that?
Did we just hit someone?
It didn't look like a someone.
Whatever it was, wrecked our ride.
Hold on. Do you guys hear that? Those things, right? Not just me.
That was like a squad of... What were those things?
Were they gonna kill us? Eat us?
We'll figure it out later. Right now, we have to get out of here. If we don't get that car fixed, we're not getting out of here.
Bet I
gas
can use
cans
these
to
spare
top off
parts
the
on the
tank.
car.
Pile in. Next stop, anywhere but here.
Blockade. Not a good sign.
This is beyond fucked up. Walter, what have you gotten us into?
Dude, talk like a nerd. I thought it was nerd shit. Oh, damn. We're holding on. More bullets.
Or explosives.
I'll take anything that we can defend ourselves with. I'm keeping this one. I'm liking this. I'll take care of this. I can get a job doing this.
Bet we could use the winch.
Dibs on the turret!
I see a pipe. And we got a winch.
I knew we'd need a win someday.
Nasty. But easy.
Don't get whacked by the whacker!
That's a new one.
That's gotta be the elevator.
That's the money shot.
Time out! I need to reload! Look how easy that was!
I'll find a use for this.
Oh, where have you been all my life? Maybe these things can give us some defense.
Someone needs to call the elevator.
Feeling better already.
Cover me while I work on this.
This part doesn't suck.
You've got incoming that wants to make you dead.
Break out the ammo!
Keep your eyes on that goon!
Who's next? Keep alert!
Looks like there's a stalker.
Murder time! Murder time!
Eat shit, you bastards!
Watch your step! The elevator's full of that sludge!
Get in the dome!
Huddle up to hill.
Happy and healthy.
Hey, no problem. That was my bad. Nothing to it. That's what I needed. Just gotta rub some dirt on it.
Definitely needed that.
Okay, you good?
Just gotta rub some dirt on it.
Good to go.
Wonder if we can use the car's EMP.
Gotta flip the switch if we want to move.
Before something tries to kill us again, can I just ask, what the fuck?
I'm just glad the bullets and electricity hurt them.
Good thing I put all those bells and whistles on the car.
Nice work on the car, Walter. You're never picking the jobs again.
That's fair.
That sludge shit is blocking the tracks.
Those red spots give you weak points.
Outsourcing my violence.
Walter Iron. Okay, we're golden. Let's get the elevator going. How does no one know about this place?
Cover-ups are easy if you have enough money.
Maybe no one is left alive to tell anyone.
Maybe this Leon guy has some answers.
All exits sealed. Reboot system to deactivate lockdown.
Real firefight! Skill beats numbers.
Try to get the package so we can find a control panel.
I'm liking this.
Scan 2 personnel ID cards to begin reboot.
Split up and look for uniforms.
Can you become a zombie by touching zombie leftovers?
Reloading! Got the second card, baby!
Scan second card. Reboot initiated. Stand by.
If you stop coming, we'll stop shooting you! Another one! What?
Spinning up the turret.
That guy is tough. Go murder bot. Hot hand.
Reloading! Watch my back!
Bad news. A lot of sludge between us and the door. Cleared the sludge in the elevator with an EMP. Think we can jerry-rig one? Electric hookups, circuits, generators. I think we can restart these.
Resetting this breaker's not working. Look for more.
I can taste purple. Flipped all the breakers, but we gotta start the generators.
Shit's bulletproof.
Filling back up.
One job, and it can't even do that. Shit! That was my bad.
Nice job.
Everyone's coming for you.
That's a maneuver, all right.
Shoot the stalker!
I'll take care of this.
Break out the aloe.
Setting my drone loose.
I'm finally used to this. Ain't no problem. Nothing to...
Now that's what I'm talking about! The gross sludge thing's doing something!
Clouds out! Hit him!
Get rid of this. Be able to lead.
Over! together, we can destroy any gross-ass thing.